Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about opal apples. These apples are relatively new on the market in the United States. They're a cross between a golden delicious apple and topaz apples, and they were developed in the Czech Republic in the 1990s, so they're relatively new. They were brought to the United States in 2010, and now they're grown in the USA only in Washington State, but they are marketed across the country. They're a bright yellow color that really resembles a golden delicious apple. But interestingly, the opal apples have been certified as being non-GMO, and a portion of the proceeds from their sale is routinely devoted to supporting community programs like creating and maintaining community gardens in local underserved communities. So when you buy an opal apple, you are serving a worthy cause. You're contributing to a worthy cause like that. And it's good to know that opal apples can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 3 months, so they do have a good shelf life to them. Regarding their characteristics, opal apples are a medium to large round fruit, and they can weigh as much as 14 ounces a piece. That's a hefty apple. And they have retained the flavor properties of their parents, so they're a nice blend of sweet and tart. They have a lemon yellow skin with a rust appearance toward the stem. They have a cream colored flesh that's soft yet crisp at the same time, and has a sweet flavor with just a slightly tart finish. So the flavor of opal apples has been described like that of a Honeycrisp with hint of pear, coconut, and banana. So it's got an interesting, almost tropical flavor to it. And a very important point about opal apples is the fact that they don't turn brown quickly when they are cut, and that's an important point for them. Best uses for opal apples: they can be eaten raw or cooked, and since they don't turn brown quickly, they're great for fresh applications like salads. You can put them on a sandwich even, or on appetizer or cheese trays, and not worry about them turning brown really quickly. They're best when they're eaten fresh, but their crisp texture does hold up well when they are baked in pies, tarts, cobblers, and crisps. They can also be added to cakes and muffins as well. So remember, they're best fresh, but they can be used in baking applications. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.